Students, in this video I am going to explain first and second word problem of exercise 12.1. See the first question. A chocolate bar costs rupees 15.25. How much money will be returned if Aman buys 3 chocolate bars and pays by 100 rupees note? Let us understand first that what we are given. In this question it is given that cost of one chocolate bar is 15 rupees 25 paise. But Aman buys 3 chocolate bars and he pays 100 rupees note to the shopkeeper. Then how much money will be returned? It means in this question we have to find out money left over, right? Now how will you find out the money left over? See, the cost of one chocolate bar is 15 rupees 25 paise, right? But Aman buys 3 chocolate bar. So first we have to find out the cost of 3 chocolate bar. And then we have to subtract the cost of 3 chocolate bar from the amount paid. How much amount he paid to the shopkeeper? 100 rupees. So from 100 rupees we need to subtract the cost of 3 chocolate bar. So that will be the money left. So here you can see what I have written. First I have written cost of one chocolate bar is 15 rupees 25 paise, right? Therefore cost of 3 chocolate bar will be 15.25 multiplied by 3. Here you can see the multiplication and the product comes 45.75. So this is the cost of 3 chocolate bar, right? Therefore cost of 3 chocolate bar is 45 rupees 75 paise. Now we have to find out money left over. See, how much amount Aman pays to the shopkeeper? 100 rupees. Means 100.00. So money left over will be 100 minus 45.75. Now see the subtraction and the answer comes 54.25. So this is the amount which is left over. It means how much money will be returned to the Aman? 54 rupees 25 paise will be returned to the Aman if he buys 3 chocolate bars. Now coming to the second word problem. Sheila bought 5 meters of cloth for rupees 235.20. Then what is the cost of a meter cloth? A meter cloth means 1 meter cloth. See, in this question it is given that cost of 5 meter cloth is 235 rupees 20 paise. And we are asked to find out the cost of 1 meter cloth. So the cost of 1 meter cloth will be 235.20 divided by 5. Whenever we are asked to find out the cost of unit, whenever we are asked to find out the unit price, we always divide. Okay, so here you can see the division. 235.20 is the dividend and we have to divide this amount by 5. Now see the division. Here you can see the first digit of your dividend is 2, which is less than 5. So here we have to divide 23 by 5. Now 5 4s are 20 and 23 minus 20 will be 3. Then the next digit of 3, that is 5, will come down. So it will be 35 now. And 35 divided by 5. How much it will be? 5 7s are 35, right? Now 35 minus 35, it will be 0. Then you can see after the digit 5 there is a decimal point in the dividend. So exactly above this decimal point you need to put decimal point in the quotient as well. Then the digit 2 will come down. Now how many times 5 goes into 2? 0 times. So here I have written 0 in the quotient and 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Then the last digit, that is 0, will come down. So it is 20 now. And 20 divided by 5, what will you get? 4, right? 5 4s are 20 and 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. Here the quotient is 47.04. So this is the cost of 1 meter cloth. Hence the final answer is cost of a meter cloth is 47.04, or we can say that 47 rupees 4 paise.